Why do we yawn? I often yawn when I'm tired. I've always wondered why we yawn. It's a question scientists have been trying to answer for years. The most popular theory is that yawning helps to cool our brains down. When we're tired or bored, our brain temperature can rise slightly. A big yawn brings a rush of cool air into our lungs, which then cools the blood flowing to our brains, helping to make us feel more alert. It's like a built-in air conditioner for your brain. So next time you see someone yawning, just know that their brain is just taking a break.